Deep in the shadows, the old voices remain, hidden underneath the stone where the silent spirits roam. Ancient fire paints the walls like the past still softly calls. Every whisper in the dark leaves a message on the heart. Through the echoes of the night, lost souls search for the light. Hear the cave echoes calling, like thunder slowly falling. Every voice tells a story that time could never erase. Cave echoes calling out my name from the shadows of the mountains, through the fire and the rain. Cave echoes living in the storm, reminding every wandering soul they were never alone. Moonlight dancing on the ground as the drums begin to sound. Every heartbeat shakes the earth like the spirits gave it birth. Old kings sleeping in the dust teach the young ones who to trust. Through the sorrow and the pain, hope begins to rise again. Lift your spirit to the heavens, let the ancient songs survive. Every echo keeps us breathing, keeps the fire alive. Cave echoes flowing through the wind, every ancestor is speaking through the soul within. Cave echoes, forever they remain, in the mountains, in the rivers, in our blood and in our name. The echoes remain, the echoes remain. Oh.